Hi guys, so we just wanted to show you the Ford Ranger Mustang headlights. Now you will all be familiar with that tri-bar that symbolises the Mustangs. So this is on a brand new Ford Ranger. Same lights fit the Ranger Wildtrak also. These are the high spec versions. They've got the dynamic sweeping indicator that swoops in like the boomerang style. Quite cool looking. They also operate, they turn on and off with the open close function of the car on the remote control. So as you click the car open and closed, those three tri-bars illuminate, as do the indicators and that daytime running light. If we turn the ignition on to position 1, and then it goes brighter again. And you can also see there we've turned on the main beam now. So I'll just turn round and we'll show you how bright that main beam is. So if we can do dip and then main, so that's on dip. And now if we can do the main beam, that's main beam, and dip again, and main, and off. Okay, so you can see the difference there. Now these have also got the adjusting facility. You can hear the motor running now as those lights go up and down. So that's if you're towing and you need to adjust the beam level, you can do that on the Ranger. That's quite cool. Now the difference between these lights and the slightly cheaper ones, the entry-level ones, the main feature is in these projectors. The quality of these projectors in the more expensive high-end light is far superior, which in turn gives far better visibility on nighttime driving. Makes a big difference. And then there's the other features like the illumination when you open and close the car, or you open the car door or close the car door. The tri-bar and the boomerang daytime running light will illuminate, whereas on the entry-level model it won't. Further details, see 4x4at.com. Worldwide shipping available. Thanks for watching.